There's Lila eating strawberries. Yeah. Okay. Here's your strawberry. Here's your strawberry. It's kind of like a starkberry. Yeah. I think you've ingested more. Well, I don't know if you've ingested any, but you have tasted a lot of the strawberries. Yeah. That's a funny face. That's a funny face. Yeah, you can see a lot of strawberry on your bib. Yeah, we can. Here, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. I think you're actually getting some down. We'll probably see strawberry in your diaper. It may not be red, though. Yeah? Yeah, you can hold it. There you go. You got it. And to the mouth. Sort of. Got it in your fist. Yeah. Oh, and into the high chair. Oh, there we go. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, I think you like strawberries. Sort of. Yeah. Oh, I see a piece in there. I see a little piece of strawberry in there. But your face isn't all that happy about it. Yeah. Look at this little mangled strawberry. Are you done eating it? I kind of think so. I kind of think so. Alright, that's the end of our strawberry video.